Hello everyone, welcome to PA Learning. First of all, thanks to Vicky sir. তেওঁ আমাক ইমান এটা ভাল প্লেটফৰ্ম দিছে ইউথছখিনিৰ কাৰণে এটা টিচিং এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চ গেইন কৰাৰ। মই যিখিনি জানো তোমালোকৰ লগত শ্বেয়াৰ কৰাৰ এটা সুযোগ পাইছোঁ। চ' মই ক্লাছ 9ৰ এৰিয়াজ অফ পেৰেলেলোগ্ৰামছ এণ্ড ট্ৰাইংগলছৰ এক্সাৰচাইজ 9.2টো ছল্ভ কৰি দিম। এক্সাৰচাইজটো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰাৰ আগত তোমালোকে এই থিয়ৰেমটো জানিব লাগিব। পেৰেলেলোগ্ৰামছ অন দ্য ছেইম বেছ এণ্ড বিটুইন দ্য ছেইম পেৰেলেলছ আৰ ইকুৱেল ইন এৰিয়া। ABCD is a parallelogram. মই বেছ ABত আৰু এটা parallelogram আঁকিম। AB বেছত ABEF আৰু এটা parallelogram. On the parallelogram ABCD and parallelogram ABEF are on the same base AB. আৰু ইয়াত কৈছে যে and between the same parallels এই দুটা parallelogram AB আৰু DE parallel দুটালৰ মাজত আছে। আমি দেখাব লাগে যে area of ABCD is equals to area of ABEF. Restatement. Parallelograms ABCD and ABEF are on the same base AB and between the same parallels AB and DE. We need to prove that area of parallelogram ABCD is equals to area of parallelogram ABEF. এই প্ৰুফটোত যেহেতু কোনো কনষ্ট্ৰাকশ্যন নাই চ' ডাইৰেক্ট প্ৰুফ আহিব। এইটো প্ৰুফ কৰিবলৈ আমি দুটা ট্ৰাইংগল কনগ্ৰুৱেণ্ট দেখাব লাগিব। এই ট্ৰাইংগলটো আৰু এই ট্ৰাইংগলটো কনগ্ৰুৱেণ্ট দেখাব লাগিব। ইন ট্ৰাইংগল ADF and triangle BCE AD equals to BC. AD equals to BC. Opposite sides of a parallelogram. Angle ADF is equals to angle BCE. Corresponding angles. ABCD is a parallelogram. আমি জানো যে opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel. AD parallel BC. ইয়াত DE ডাল transversal হিচাপে আছে. So এইটো angle আৰু এইটো angle corresponding angles equal. Again angle AFD equals to angle BEC. এইটো corresponding angles হ'ব। Therefore triangle ADF congruent to triangle BCE. Criterion to have angle side. এই দুটা triangle congruent মানে কি এহাতৰ shape আৰু size একে। If two figures have the same shape and same size, then obviously they would have equal areas. A duta triangle congruent jete hato area equal, which implies area of triangle ADF equals to area of triangle BCE. Ami a duta triangular area equal palo. A duita triangular area logot area of ABCF jedi dui phale plus koi diu tetia ki hobo sona area of ADF plus area of ABCF equals to area of BCE plus area of ABCF. Area of ADF plus area of ABCF. Tetia area of ABCD hobo. Area of ABCD equals to area of BCE plus area of ABCF equals to area of ABEF. So this is proved. তাৰ পিছত তোমালোকৰ এক্সাম্পলটোত এটা কুৱেশ্যন আছে if a triangle and a parallelogram are on the same base and between the same parallels then prove that area of the triangle is equal to half the area of the parallelogram. মই স্কেল ইউজ কৰা নাই অলপ বেকা হ'ব পাৰে triangle PAB and parallelogram ABCD are on the same base AB and between the same parallels AB and PC. The question to say ki if a triangle and a parallelogram are on the same base and between the same parallels then prove that the area of the triangle is equal to half the area of the parallelogram. Tumalko tar example to koriye those that area of triangle PAB equals to half area of parallelogram ABCD. A question to our example kote use hobo. Now exercise kote. Exercise 9.2. Question number 1. ABCD je tat parallelogram dia ase. ABCD je parallelogram. AE perpendicular DC and CF perpendicular AD. CF perpendicular AD. That kisuman side or measurement dia ase given AB equals to 16 cm, AE 8 cm and CF 10 cm. আমাক AD উলিয়াব কৈছে এতিয়া area of parallelogram কি base into height. Base the height মানে কি base or corresponding altitude tar. Now area of parallelogram ABCD equals to base into height. আমি যদি base AB লওঁ কাৰণ ইয়াত AB ভ্যালু দিয়া আছে AB the AB corresponding altitude hobo AE dal AU value dia ase which implies area of ABCD equals to AB 16 AE 8 etu enake thakibo dia again area of ABCD আমি যদি এবাৰ base AD লওঁ AD corresponding altitude CF AD into CF which implies area of ABCD আমি উপৰত উলিয়াই থৈছো 16 into 8 which equal to AD উলিয়াব লাগে CF দিয়া আছে আমাক 10 cm which implies AD equals to 16 into 8 by 10 which implies AD equals to 12.8 cm. Now question number 2. E, F, G and H are respectively the midpoints of the sides of a parallelogram ABCD. E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H are the midpoints of the sides AB, BC, CD and AD respectively of the parallelogram ABCD. আমাক দেখাব লাগে যে area of EFGH EFGH. Area of EFGH equals to half area of ABCD. ইয়াৰ area parallelogramৰ আধা বুলি দেখাব লাগে। এই প্ৰুফটোত আমি এটা কনষ্ট্ৰাকশন আঁকিব লাগিব। We join HF. মই ইমানকে লিখি থকা নাই। Construction we join HF. Now AH equals to half AD. Reason H is the midpoint of AD. BF equals to half BC. F is the midpoint of BC. Now ABCD is a parallelogram given AD equals to BC, comma AD parallel BC. Opposite sides of a parallelogram equal and parallel. আমি যদি দুইফালে হাফে মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰি দিও, half AD half BC equals comma AD parallel BC. Half AD ওপৰত আছে AH equals to half BC BF, which comma AD AH parallel BC BF. Opposite sides equal and parallel, therefore ABFH is a parallelogram. Since parallelogram ABFH and triangle HEF are on the same base HF and between the same parallels HF and AB. আমি এক্সাম্পলটোত পাইছিলোঁ যে যদি এটা ট্ৰায়াঙ্গল আৰু প্যাৰালেলগ্ৰাম একে বেছত আৰু একে প্যাৰালেলৰ মাজত থাকে তেতিয়া এৰিয়া অফ দা ট্ৰায়াঙ্গল হাফ এৰিয়া অফ দা প্যাৰালেলগ্ৰাম। Therefore area of triangle HEF equals to half area of parallelogram ABCD. Similarly, area of triangle HGF equals to half area of parallelogram ABCD. Equation 1, equation 2. 1 plus 2 যদি কৰি দিওঁ, area of HEF plus area of HGF equals to half common lolu, area of ABCD plus area of ABCD. Sorry, a parallelogram হৰু দুটা হ'ব, মই বাই মিস্টেক লিখিলো। ইয়াত হ'ব তাৰ parallelogram ABFH আৰু ওপৰ parallelogramটো হ'ব HFCD. So half common ABFH plus area of HFCD, which implies area of HEF plus area of HGF implies area of EFGH equals to half area of a দুটা plus কৰিলে area of parallelogram ABCD. Next question number 3. P and Q are any two points lying on the sides DC and AD respectively of a parallelogram ABCD. ABCD is a parallelogram. P lying on side CD, Q lying on side AD. আমাক দেখাব কৈছে যে area of APB equals to area of BQC. Since parallelogram ABCD and triangle APB are on the same base AB and between the same parallels AB and DC. Therefore, area of triangle APB equals to half area of the parallelogram ABCD. Question number 1. Similarly, area of BQC equals to half area of ABCD. Question number 2. Triangle BQC and parallelogram ABCD are on the same base BC and between the same parallels BC and AD. That is why this one. From 1 and 2 we get area of APB equals to area of BQC. Now 4. P is a point in the interior of a parallelogram ABCD. P is a point in the interior of parallelogram ABCD. ইয়াত আমি এডাল কনস্ট্ৰাকশন আঁকিব লাগিব AB parallel ke through point P EF construction with through P we draw EF parallel AB. One of course is area of APB plus area of PCT equals to half area of ABCD. Area of APB, this one, plus area of this triangle PCT equals to half area of the parallelogram ABCD. Now, in parallelogram ABCD, AD parallel BC, opposite sides parallel, comma, EF parallel AB by construction, which implies AE parallel BF, comma, EF parallel AB, opposite sides, both pairs of opposite sides parallel, therefore ABFE is a parallelogram. Since triangle APB and parallelogram ABFE are on the same base AB and between the same parallels AB and EF. Therefore, area of triangle APB equals to half area of the parallelogram ABFE. Similarly, area of triangle PCD equals to half area of parallelogram CDFE. 1, 2. 1 plus 2 implies area of APB plus area of PCD half to common losu area of ABFE plus area of DCFE, which implies area of APB plus area of PCD equals to half area of parallelogram ABCD. 2 tut koise area of APD plus area of PBC equals to area of APB plus area of PCD. Yet my left hand side going area of APD plus area of PBC equals to area of APD plus area of PBC equals to gute parallelogram to pa a duta triangle area to minus koi dile hobo, which is equals to area of ABCD minus area of triangle APB plus area of triangle PCD, which is equals to area of APD plus area of PBC equals to area of ABCD minus etu ami upor pai thoisu area of APB plus area of PCD half area of ABCD minus half area of ABCD, which implies area of APD plus area of PBC equals to half area of ABCD. Etu jodi moi equation 3 diu etu 4 from 3 and 4 we get area of APD plus area of PBC equals to area of APB plus area of PCD. তোমালোকে এই প্রুফটো বেলেগকেও কৰিব পাৰা থ্ৰো P AD parallel কে এনেকেও এটা লাইন টান ড্ৰ কৰি কৰিব পাৰা. Now question number 5. PQRS and ABRS are parallelograms. And X is any point on the side BR, so that number 1 area of PQRS equals to area of ABRS. Etu theorem mote ulai ase parallelogram PQRS and parallelogram ABRS are on the same base SR and between the same parallels SR and PB. So moi to likhi thoka nai, direct likhim area of PQRS equals to area of ABRS by theorem. Second tut area of AXS equals to half area of PQRS. Now triangle AXS and parallelogram ABRS are on the same base AS and between the same parallels AS and BR. Since triangle AXS and parallelogram ABRS on the same base AS and between the same parallels AS and BR. Therefore, area of triangle AXS equals to half area of parallelogram ABRS. Question 2 A2 equation 1. আমি আগৰ কোৱেশ্যনটোত পাইছো যে area of PQRS equals to area of ABRS. From 1 and 2 we get area of triangle AXS equals to half area of parallelogram PQRS. Last question 6. A farmer was having a field in the form of a parallelogram PQRS. PQRS. She took any point A on RS and join it to the points P and Q. In how many parts the field is divided? So first question to answer about three parts. This triangle, this triangle, this triangle. What are the shapes of these parts? Second to about triangle. তাৰপিছত সুধিছে the farmer wants to sow wheat and pulses in equal portions of the field separately. How should she do it? আমি পাইছিলো যে triangle APQ and parallelogram PQRS on the same base PQ and between the same parallels PQ and RS. Therefore, area of triangle PAQ equals to half area of parallelogram PQRS. So she can show wheat in triangle PAQ and pulses in the other two triangles or pulses in triangle PAQ and wheat in the other two triangles, because a triangle to a parallelogram to area half hoy hekane yat jodi tai pulse show kore tetia yat a duto triangle wheat and vice versa. So tumaloko opinions diba moi bujabo paisu ne nai. Thank you very much.